Eagle Missioners, 5455 Eden Missioners, and kaning mga numeroha, mga igsoon, no? There will be one time that I will explain to you, not now yet. But they are all our supporters, Unya. And whoever are members of this group really have a big indulgence to this association. One day.
One day.
And things happen one day at a time. Kaya probably in the next few years of our conferences, I will openly explain to you. Karon, words cannot express. No explanation done for this group, but to present them as the backbone of the organization. Of course, the working unit also. They are also like MYOs, like Women's League, like the ushers and usherettes. They are all the wing but in the backbone, isn't it shoulder most of our projects, most of our expenses, the amount of flows sa ila. We have a general membership also. And certainly, we have also some factors to be considered from our presidential parties and our supporters from abroad, like the English people, my Sunny boy there, Graham, Uncle Domi, who always supported, called me for anything help, and also a lot of people from abroad in the Philippines also they are. Basta kamuraman o words cannot express. Only the thing lives. But for me, words cannot express how I'd like to thank everyone. Plus, karon pa yun na mga banghita ko, which makes me feel and makes me a happy man. Because I've seen assurance and I can foresee assurance in the future that I will be helped by my sons and daughters to run this association smoothly, together with my family and together with the pillars and others. Which to my mind, a great gift, because I planned that this association be looked upon by the people whom you consider royalties and stuff like that one. Just like how the Queen of England ruled her country. And we would like also to do the same, only if we can. And because of the assurance that I have already a clear vision for the future of my son, okay? Nandiyan na ang future na maganda. And so that I can assure you guys that we are all in good hands. Certainly, I felt so happy. Before, medyo gul-gul gamay, pero hindi na yung kagulo, may puning kagulo sa akin, mapulihan nga niyo kapinis pag gani, polished yun. No? And we will keep that one up. For those are tests of the past. There could be tests in the present, but it not be as severe as the ones we have been through. And to the future that I am looking forward, that I am looking at your future also as my own, not only for myself, not only for my family, but for everybody. Talking about my plans, lalo na yung hydrogen natin. Naku, pag nag-success yan, mga kaibigan, mga kapatid, I really am very positive that we're all be having a bright future. Because you will no longer be spending a lot of money in terms of energy. Although probably you will be spending, kaya na hulog mo na yung mahitabo. I know that oil companies will be mad at me, but then my ano is only for my association, not for the whole Philippines. It is not that I don't care about other people or non-members. It is not. I just don't want to, It is up for them if they will adopt it as a lifestyle. Pero gusto ko dito maumpisahan sa PBMA so that kasi no matter how I look at it, it's really a good thing if we started here than somewhere else. And it will erase now the bad image of the association through media kasi magiging balita na naman yan. But this time it will be a different news in media because what we will be saying is, oh, my people are using water for the fuel. No, di ba? And it is something very, very strange for them. Because not everyone now knows it. Pero once gani na successful yan in that field, one time my concentration there in Manila is that. Tapos, I am asking 4 of my most trusted people in abroad to secure those for sampling so that we may have to prove it first. Maybe 6 months of use. Whether we consider it probably corrosive, double maintenance, something like that. Basta kay, before we will introduce it, people, fishermen, farmers, because my only wish, my only hope is that I could get in touch with farmers and fishermen